Most people think starting a business involves dealing with massive cash flow uncertainty, less than 1% chance of success, and preparing yourself for war. But what if I told you there's a business that is in demand on every city, has almost no competition, and it doesn't require you to be incredibly smart to run it? That's the business I started. I run a fitness equipment delivery and installation company, and we install gym equipment for condos, hotels, commercial spaces, and homeowners. And what surprises me the most is that installing the equipment is actually the easiest part. Most of this business is actually about project management and systems. So if you have been looking for a real opportunity, something you can really start, let me show you how to get it done, because it is way more accessible than what you think. Here's what most people don't realize. Clients are not hiring you to be strong and handy. Clients are hiring you to remove the stress. When a commercial client needs a gym installed, there are a dozen moving parts, starting with scheduling, delivering, installing, access to the building, and timelines. Your job is to manage all of that so the client doesn't have to think about it. The tool that we use to keep all of this organized is a CRM software where everything is templated and automated. By the time that you show up to the install, the customer already knows what's going to happen, when everything is going to take place, and that's what they pay you for. People assume installing gym equipment requires years of training. It doesn't. Most fitness equipment is designed to be assembled by regular consumers. The instructions are straightforward, and you only need basic tools to install this equipment. We have trained people with zero experience installing gym equipment, and they became fully capable after the first week. What takes longer to master, and what clients actually value, is running the job smoothly, protecting the floor, managing timelines, communicating changes, and making the space look professional. If you can do that, you are already ahead of most people in this industry. In a typical day in my job, this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I start my morning opening my phone, checking that every single truck is already on the way to the customer's location. Always I'm gonna be answering emails or calls with whatever questions the customer might have, or if they wanna request our service. I'm gonna be sending estimates. I'm gonna be scheduling appointments. I'm gonna be helping my clients with 3D renderings, helping them design their commercial gyms. I'm gonna be checking the vehicles, make sure that they have their preventive maintenance done on time. We're always gonna call our team at least once a day just to make sure that they are not running through any issues or if they need our help. I'm always gonna be solving small problems here and there with past installs or present installs that are happening right now. And lastly, I'm always gonna be collecting payments from the jobs that we have completed not long ago. Guys, here's what makes this business so underrated. But the number of professional installers is tiny. Most cities have a few companies doing this, and the majority of them are unreliable, disorganized, and impossible to reach. So when clients find someone that is professional, communicates well, and uses systems, they stick with them forever. And that's how you go from scrambling for work to having jobs lining up every week. You don't have to be the best installer, you just have to be the easiest person to work with. If you want to learn more about how to run this business, subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.